What the hell? What the hell, you idiot? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Scams, oplichtingen, diefstal. Sommige gebeuren gewoon aan je voordeur. En andere midden in het verkeer. En soms doen oplichters zich voor als iemand anders. Van nepagenten tot in scène gezette ongelukken en brutale diefstallen. Dit zijn oplichters vastgelegd op camera. En de vraag is, zou jij erin trappen? Austin, Texas. Een man kocht een iPhone voor $560. Maar ontdekt thuis dat deze gestolen is. Zijn accounts worden namelijk geblokkeerd. En dus lokt hij de verkoper om opnieuw af te spreken. Zogenaamd voor het kopen van nog een telefoon. Maar de afspraak wordt daadwerkelijk vooral een confrontatie met deze oplichter.
This one is more popular, it's more rare right now.
You said your name's C?
Yeah.
We got two options, C. I got this phone from you yesterday. I put it on my wife's line. They deactivated my entire AT&T account because it reported stolen. So here's our choices today.
Okay.
I either want my 560 or I want this phone. You pick. And if this one's reported stolen, he filmed you pull it up.
Okay.
He's got you on camera now and we got this car and I will find you.
Okay.
So those are the options. Which one do you want to go with?
I'll work with you. I'm just letting. If you want
Those
to
are
take
the
this.
options. 560 right now,
Okay.
or I'm gonna take this phone, and it better not be stolen. Got me coming all the way down here because you tried to fuck my assistant yesterday.
I didn't mean to, bro. I wasn't.
Those are the choices. Which one do you want to go with?
What's better for you? I can give you your 560 back right now.
Give me the 560.
Trust me, I didn't mean to do that, bro. I buy and sell phones. I apologize. I'm gonna give you 600. I really didn't mean to do that.
Daarom moet je altijd voorzichtig zijn bij het kopen van tweedehands spullen. Wat een geweldige deal lijkt, kan zomaar gestolen zijn. Goedkoop is leuk, maar is het niet onrealistisch goedkoop? En hoe komt diegene er zelf aan? Vraag om een aankoopbewijs en als iets te mooi lijkt om waar te zijn, dan is het dat waarschijnlijk ook. Milton Keynes, Engeland. Terwijl hij op de bus staat te wachten, laat een man een sigaret vallen. Hij raapt hem wel weer op en gooit hem dan in een daarvoor bedoelde vuilnisbak. En toch dreigt een man die beweert een gemeentewerker te zijn met, let op, een boete van £1000 en zelfs een strafblad. Maar is dat eigenlijk wel een echt uniform?
So what's happened?
Okay, you've dropped your cigarette. Okay, you threw it by the side of you. It's a criminal offence in this, sir.
Yeah, I picked it up and put it in the bin, haven't I?
Okay, but the offence has already been committed.
Okay.
Alright?
I've made a mistake, I've picked it up and put it in the bin,
I
yes?
appreciate you rectifying it, okay, but the offence has still been committed and it would still be there if we weren't having this conversation. Alright? So I still need to take some details from yourself today, sir.
Go away, please.
Okay. Well, I need to deal with you today, alright? You've committed a criminal offence, alright? So I need to take your details. Do you have any form of identification on yourself at all today, sir? Sir? You're well within your rights to record me, okay? But I still need to take some details from yourself today. My camera's also recording, alright? So do you have any form of identification or do we have to get your details by another means? Hey, sir? There's no point being rude and ignoring me, sir. Is there? How comes you're ignoring me? We can do this all day, sir, alright? But it's still not going to change the fact that I need to take your details. Whether I obtain your details and you comply with me, alright? Or the police will be being called and they'll come down and obtain your details. Alright, and then you'll have £1,000 fine for obstruction of an officer. Okay? And it'll be a lot worse for yourself as well, because instead of where
Iemand die zich anders voordoet kan gevaarlijk zijn. Vraag daarom waar hij of zij werkt. Wat is deze persoon zijn naam? Klinkt het wel geloofwaardig allemaal? Als je zomaar ineens cash moet betalen, weet je dat je te maken hebt met een oplichter. Pas dus goed op. Engeland, 2 juli 2017. Een ouderwetse oplichtersstruc. Een in scène gezet ongeluk. Bedoeld om mensen te laten betalen of de verzekering op te lichten. Wat de oplichter niet weet, is dat de bestuurder een dashcam heeft in de auto en dus is alles opgenomen. Ashmore, Queensland, een staat in Australië, 24 april 2022. Terwijl een man staat te wachten om zijn ruitenwissers te laten vervangen, valt hem iets op.
Bring the cops, right? Let my fucking thing go! Let my baby go!
You haven't even
Hey!
been in there.
Hey! Dad! Let go! Dad, let go of me! You can have the fucking riders back! Dad, that's my baby! Oh, you can have it!
There's a box
You
there.
can have it, I said! You can have the fucking rider back!
You can have the
Yes! Yes! There you go!
And the rest you got there.
Een vrouw met een kinderwagen, rennend en gillend, achtervolgd door een winkelmedewerker. Maar er klopt iets niet. Er zit helemaal geen baby in de kinderwagen. In de kinderwagen zitten daadwerkelijk gestolen spullen verstopt van de winkel. En toch blijft ze maar roepen dat ze van haar kind moeten afblijven. Etobicoke, Ontario, 23 mei 2016. Een man en vrouw komen net thuis. Ze worden gebeld door een onbekend nummer. Maar de vrouw herkent het meteen als een scam.
That is the option number 1. Option number 2. On the recorded call, if you are accepting that you didn't make the mistake intentionally, it will be just like a mistake. So the Act number 1928, the Revenue Canada giving you the fair chance to resolve the case out of the courthouse. You just need to go ahead and make a payment which you owe with the Revenue Canada by the electronic federal tax payment service. Once you make a payment, your resolvement is going through, rent will be going to cancel.
Okay.
Now what will be your intention? You need to let me know. You need to go ahead and fight the case with the Revenue Canada inside of the courthouse, or you need to go ahead and resolve the case to make a payment to the Revenue Canada.
Yeah, we want to fight against it.
May
I'm not sure about that. So just be seated at your home. I'm just going to forward your case file to the local police department. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and do that. You can go screw yourself.
Then, motherfucker.
Word je dus gebeld of geappt en worden je gegevens gevraagd? Pas dan altijd op. Bedrijven of banken doen dit helemaal niet via de telefoon. Geef nooit je gegevens en hang dan gewoon op. Het zijn eigenlijk altijd gewoon oplichters. Singapore, 11 juni 2017. Een normale autorit met 2 kindjes achterin. Totdat er iets vreemds op de weg verschijnt.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this how people? Hi, I'm at some way to. This was my car, and died on top of my car. I got a car cam with me. Yeah, you know where all the dog farm, and it's getting violent. You lock the door. Okay. Say again. That's this place called the pet mover. Okay. Pet mover. Chinese guy, yeah. He is destroying my bonnet now. Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye. I give you $3,000. Hey, you don't run away, you know. What, you are sorry, you don't run away, you know. You destroyed my car, you don't run away, you know. That was quick. You are the wife, you are the daughter. Sorry, this kind of father is coming.
Richmond, Virginia, 21 mei 2017. Je kent het wel, mensen die om geld bedelen op straat. Een vrouw die vaak op straat bedelend werd gezien, wordt ontmaskerd. De vrouw wordt op straat erkend als degene die zich toen voordeed als een dakloze arme vrouw. Maar is dat wel zo?
No, you're alright.
What are you doing?
Just wondering why you have a 2014 when you're begging for change all over the city of Richmond. You're
Why
on.
don't you leave me alone?
You're
when I call the cops?
you're viral. You're on Facebook. You're the talk of the town this morning. What would you like to say to everybody in Richmond?
You know what? That's it.
How much did you make today? How much is in that bag?
I'm calling the cops on you right
Good.
now. You better get me off your cell phone.
Everyone, be warned. How much you make today? I'm gonna go to McDonald's. You're parking in their parking lot and not being a customer either.
You have complete right to say, just don't touch her.
I know. We've stalked you for the last hour and a half.
Hey,
I want you to see something. How do you feel about this?
these people will leave me alone. Can you tell me what's why are they taking pictures of me and my
We have a right. This is a free country. We're not doing anything. Did you know that she parks in your parking lot every day and has never spent $1 here and begs for change on
That's
side
her
of
car
here
right there,
every day?
Fiat.
Next time you see that car,
She's free to
Oh.
leave. Is all. We can't stop her from getting in the car and driving away.
this is it's on NBC 12 on Facebook. This is gonna go viral. It already is viral. Thank you. We got everything we need.
That's illegal to do that.
Come here.
I don't know what to say. You got a phone? Yeah, I've got a phone.
Call the police if you need to, but there's nothing that I can do. As
They
long
can't
as
do anything
they're not
either.
putting their hands on you or anything like that.
We can't stop her from getting in her car and driving away either.
Can you tell me why they're doing this?
Because it's wrong.
She has nothing to do with you.
I just work here. I don't know why.
You should know why it's wrong. It's wrong.
You can ask them though. They're the ones.
So why are y'all doing this?
Because it's wrong.
You're taking people's money. You have look at your car. What year is that?
It's wrong.
What year is that vehicle?
What is he talking about?
How much? Where do you live?
What's he talking about?
It's
You're
wrong
begging
what
for
you're
money.
doing.
What do you want?
You're begging
Who
money.
are you?
Why do you do that? Why do you do
Okay, well, then
that?
go do it to
Stop
the
stealing people.
So
Yeah.
what do you have? What's problem do you have with me?
Because
Stop
we're
stealing
gonna-
people's money.
we're
Stop
gonna
begging for
follow
money.
too
You own
and
a
see what
car.
kind of house you
You're
bought.
not homeless. Some people are really
Okay.
homeless. Some people are really homeless
Okay,
and need
so
help.
do you think that people have to stand out here because they're homeless?
Why do you stand
People
out here?
Because I have
What
a
does your sign
disability.
say?
What are you disabled from? What's your nature of disability?
your sign
What is
say?
nature of disability? What
That's
is it?
none of your business.
Because
I
you don't have a
big
disability.
May I
problems.
see
You
your
don't have a
sign?
disability.
What does your
You don't have a
sign say?
disability.
Your sign says you're homeless.
Well, you better leave me alone.
Well,
Excuse me.
We're not stopping you from getting in your car and leaving. Go ahead and get in your car and leave.
Can you tell me
What does he have to do with you?
If anything, sir, she parks in your
I
parking
can't
lot
even get
all
my
day.
vehicle.
She parks in your
because they're
parking
in
lot. That's her car.
houses.
And she goes and begs for money on the corner. That's her car right there.
Y'all are barking up the wrong tree. I'm telling you right now.
I bark wherever I want to bark.
No, you don't bark around me. You got it?
What are you gonna do? You don't have a, you're
Why
begging for
are you
money.
begging me?
You're begging for money. Look at your car.
What do you want from me, you stupid? What do you want from me? Someone's gonna end up killing you.
How? For what? What am I doing?
Harassing me.
I'm not harassing anybody. You're stealing people's money.
That's why.
Pas daarom altijd op met wie je geld geeft op straat. Het wordt vaak misbruikt door verslaving of door oplichters. Het kunnen mensen zijn die zich voordoen als daklozen, ernstig zieken of zelfs een gehandicapte. Meestal ontmasker je mensen door ze niet geld te geven, maar aan te bieden om het voor hun te kopen. Als ze dan nee zeggen, weet je dat het hun om het geld gaat. Oplichters zijn er altijd en overal. Pas daarom op. Praat en discussieer mee onder deze video en ik lees alles. Vind je Misdaad interessant? Abonneer dan vooral op mijn kanaal en doe een duimpje omhoog. En dan zeg ik tot de volgende video.